Phillips, nice to see you again.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you.
Enjoy that?
Yeah, fantastic. It's been a long, hard year for me, personally, being out of the squads and having to cheer on from the sidelines. So to be a part of the send-off was fantastic for me. It's given me a real boost, and hopefully I can go back to Forest now and push on, and look forward to France now.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you want to be on that plane, don't you?
Yeah, no, of course. I think everyone does. I think there's a real sense of togetherness, as you all can see, and it'll be interesting to see come April, May, the squads, and yeah, I just got to keep my head down, stay fit is the main thing, and if I can do that and enjoy my football, then I'll give myself the best chance.
Well, I was going to say, after all the injury and setbacks you've had, how much of a lift was it when Chris said you're playing tonight?
Yeah, it's just a surprise, really. Myself, it's my first competitive start in just under 12 months. So to do it in that stadium with all the fans and a real celebration atmosphere, and something special. It's a bit emotional at the end for me personally, because I worked so hard for it. So it's great.
Has he always kept in touch? Has he always said that, you know, when you're fit, you're part of his plans?
Yeah, he just said keep working hard. He's been fantastic with me. He gave me a real destination to look forward to be back in the Welsh squad, and to be a part just in the Bosnia game as well, to be involved in that, in the celebrations, and then to start tonight was special. So no, I'm delighted to be a part of this special team.
And France, have you looked who you might get? Have you thought about it? I mean,
no, not yet.
Everybody says that, but I'm sure you have.
No, it's one of them. We just have to wait and see, and then at this rate, probably play against anyone if we can keep our best players on the pitch. We'll see. We're just going to enjoy it, and then we'll look to get some more teams out in France. So.
Has it sunk in yet just how historic you players have rewritten Welsh football history? Has that sunk in now?
Yeah, I'd say so. It was hard out in Bosnia to settle in, but to come home and be with all the fans and have a massive celebration. Everyone deserves it, and no one more so than the gaffer, because it wasn't long ago we were in Serbia getting beat 6-1. So yeah, all the praise goes to him, and putting this group of players together and getting the results is something special. So.
And big season ahead for you now.
Yeah, massive. I've gone out to Forest to work with my old manager and hopefully play as much as I can until January, and we'll see come January what happens. And I just want to stay fit, stay clear from bad challenges, just play football and smile. So,
We'll settle for that too. All the best.
Cheers.
Thanks, Jonny.
Thank you, mate.
Thanks, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers.